Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 26th through September 7th. First, we're going to talk about Hurricane Lane. Here's the latest position as of 5 a.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. Position is 16.9 north, 157.4 west, and winds are 130 miles per hour with gusts to 160. And movement is towards the northwest at 7 miles per hour, and the pressure is 28.03 inches or 949 millibars. This is the current position, and now we're going to look at the current satellite pictures. So let me see if I have everything up here. Okay, here's the current satellite. It goes to visible night. Now this is the nighttime where it goes to infrared. And it appears that the circulation is being impacted by southwesterly shear. But still, the system has, let's see when it goes to infrared, if you can see it. I'll try to stop it. Okay, it still has deep core of convectional cold cloud types. But there are several factors that will impact this storm. First of all, we're going to look at the shear map. This is a shear, and here's the Hawaiian Islands right here. And the shear is increasing. Also, what we have, we're going to look at the other maps. Let me see. Okay, we have this ridge here to the north of the Hawaiian Islands. And it's being steered by this system and also being interacted by a trough. Now, with this trough, let me see if I can do this. With the trough, we will have like the strong southwest flow here, bringing it up to the north, as this ridge kind of steers it that way. So there's a couple of factors also which might be impacted is the interaction with the land. As you know, Hawaii is very hilly, and the interaction might affect the circulation. But another thing is with the heavy rainfall. There would be heavy rain falling, runoff from these storms, and we're going to put this in motion. I'm going to first look at the oh, I just lost the maps. Okay, let me see what else do I have here. Okay, and now this is what the storm is forecast to move. It's supposed to move northward a little bit and then go this way to the west. Now, it depends on where and when it does this turn. But regardless of weakening, I think that the system will remain a hurricane as it goes close to or over portions of the islands. Probably the islands to the west would be in more jeopardy. So this is the current position. This is what it's forecast to be. This is where it is now. Then later on tonight, it's still supposed to be a Cat 3. Then it goes to a Cat 2 on Saturday. I mean on Friday. I'm sorry. And then then it weakens to a tropical storm on Saturday. These are the official tracks that are going to be going in this path. Now, we'll look at the rainfall amount. I don't know if I can get this forecast. Okay, it's not going to show up. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to be now. Here's the current satellite picture with the satellite loop over the position. This is this is a visible. So we're going to get to the forecast now. This is the forecast for August 20th to 30th, 26th to 30th. And what we have is we have a strong ridge here near the Aleutians. And we have another ridge here across the eastern U.S. and southern U.S. and a trough in the northwest. And this remains pretty much the pattern for the next couple of days. The westerlies will remain across the northern states with embedded energy. You can see here's the westerly flow. And this activity will gradually spread to the northeast. Heavy rain and storms. And also scattered rain and storms are forecast across the southeast associated with a frontal boundary. And the monsoonal activity in the southwest will gradually diminish. Temperatures will be below normal across the northwest. The ridge in the east will cause temperatures to be about 5 to 10 degrees above normal. August 29th to 2nd, here we are at the 29th. The pattern remains generally the same. The models remain pretty good, but we'll look here at let me see what model here. This one is a little more amplified with the trough here and the ridge. So this is the European ensembles. So the model is good agreement with this configuration. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here, with the anomalies of up to 6 degrees below normal, and then we have above normal temperatures for much of this area here, and the forecast anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal forecast. For precipitation, forecast above normal precipitation here for this region in the southeast. The probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And I have below normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. And now I'm going to look at the period for September 3rd to 7th. The pattern doesn't change, although the eastern ridge kind of slides to the east. And if you look at one of the models here, I saw right here, it has the strongest core down here across the southwest. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the northwest, northern Rockies, and portions of the west coast. And I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 4 to 6 degrees below normal, and then above normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the nation. And I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, above normal precipitation forecast for the northwest, the upper Mississippi Valley, portion of the Great Lakes, portion of the Ohio Valley and the interior Mid-Atlantic. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then I'm forecasting below normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for August 26th through September 7th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.